Deal with seasonality in pest control by designing service and pricing models that create predictable, year-round revenue. Start by packaging year-round treatment programs that spread visits and payments evenly throughout the calendar year. Price them so each monthly or quarterly payment covers an integrated mix of preventive and reactive visits, which reduces peak staffing pressure and smooths cash flow. Offer prepaid discounts that reward customers who pay for a full year upfront and calculate the discount so it improves immediate cash flow without eroding long-term margin. For example, a modest 5% reduction can be financed by lower acquisition churn and steadier technician utilization. Add winter and off-season services such as rodent exclusion, attic insulation inspection, dryer vent cleaning tied to pest prevention, and crawl space moisture control so crews remain productive when insect pressure is low. Cross-train technicians so they can perform inspections, minor repairs, and ancillary services during slower months, which increases billable hours per visit and reduces idle payroll. Use targeted communication schedules to remind customers of year-round risks and seasonal special offers, and automate billing and reminders so retention rises without adding administrative burden. Monitor key metrics monthly such as recurring revenue percentage, average revenue per account, technician utilization, and churn, then adjust program pricing and service mix before cash flow tightens. Common mistakes include underpricing year-round plans, which causes cash flow issues when prepaid revenue falls short. Fix this by modeling costs per account across seasons and building a buffer into pricing. Another error is relying only on reactive calls during shoulder months, which leaves crews idle. Add bundled preventive services and off-season inspections to keep technicians busy. A third problem is poor customer communication that leads to seasonal attrition. Set an automated, empathetic outreach cadence and use contract reminders and simple educational tips so customers see ongoing value. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists services that align with year-round pest control planning. We provide a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange practical tips and leads, helping contractors find work and homeowners plan steady, sensible pest protection.